Nashoba Valley Technical High School's annual open house event is rapidly approaching.
Come take a guided tour of our campus and get an in-depth look at many of the career and technical programs we have to offer.
Meet the school's team of education professionals, academic teachers, technical program instructors, and some of our amazingly talented and outstanding students.
Learn about our extracurricular activities and clubs available, as well as what a career and a technical high school education has to offer.
With 20 career and technical programs to choose from, we have a future career path that is just right for you.
So join us on Sunday, November 6th from 12 p.m. to 3 p.m. as we open our doors to the public.
100 Littleton Road in Westford, Massachusetts. Visit our website, nashobatech.net, for more information.
Nashoba Valley Technical High School,
your skills-focused public high school.